welcome to Just Andy, and I'm going to show you the ingredients, and you can watch the next video on how to make it if you want, but we're just going to stick with one video. So these are the ingredients you need to make it. So first you need clear Elmer's glue. I got this at Fred Meyer's. I got all the stuff from Fred Meyer's except the jar. And you need Tide. The best brand is to just do Tide. And saline solution. Don't know how to pronounce it, but I'm just gonna go with saline solution. And if you want to make it fluffy, you don't have to, but shaving cream. And you can do whatever color you want. Food dye. Or you can do paint. Paint works too. And got some options of glitter, but you don't have to do glitter, it's up to you. And a mask for the next video, and some spoons, and I already showed you the last jar. So watch the next video, comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and follow me on Musical.ly. Bye!